Hey guys, hello and welcome back. I am Gayatri and a lot of you guys have asked me as how I use gua sha in my skincare regime. So in today's video, we're going to talk all about gua shas and how you can incorporate this amazing tool in your skincare regime. So first of all, I'll show you how a gua sha looks like. So talking about gua shas, I have two types of gua sha here. The first one is a jade gua sha and the second one which I have is the rose quartz gua sha. Now both the gua shas are really good for your skincare. Like you can use any of the stones such as rose, amethyst or jade in your skincare regime, but today I'm going to show you how you can use a rose quartz gua sha because this is like the most selling product of my store. So I'll just show you in some small steps as to how you can use gua sha. So first of all, I'm just going to tie my hairs. And now I have a facial serum. Now you can use any facial serum that you use during your night skincare regime, and I'm using here a vitamin C serum. So I'll just take some drops of the serum on my hand. So you just need around 2 or 3 drops of the serum because the consistency of this one is really thick. So just make sure you just don't lather up your skin a lot. You just need serum so as to the gua sha can glide on your skin surface properly. So I'm just going to dot the serum on my face all over and then I'm going to rub it into my skin. Now what the gua sha stone does is that it makes the absorption of serum more better in your skin because you're gliding the gua sha on your face. So make sure you apply the serum properly on your face, and the surface of your face should be not really dry because you need the gua sha to glide properly on your skin. I'm also going to apply some on my neck. So now my skin is prepped for the gua sha. Also make sure that you have washed your face and also use a toner before you use the gua sha. So first of all, we are going to start from the neck portion, and you have to take this side of the gua sha, which is the longer side. You can also use this side. So now just look at the movements I'm going to do on my neck portion and make sure that you're repeating each motion 5 times in just one direction. So don't be like this and this. You just need to go once there, twice, thrice, 4 times and the 5th time. Also make sure you're exerting enough pressure on the portion and glide on each surface for around 5 times. So after doing the neck portion, then we move towards the jawline portion of your face. So again with the V-shaped portion, what you have to do is that take the gua sha, tilt your face a bit on the side and then just glide it on in the upward motion. So after we are done with the jawline, now we are going to move towards the main facial area of our face. So I'll show you how you can use the gua sha tool in 2 ways on this portion now. Now the benefits of using a gua sha in your skincare regime include increase in the blood circulation. It also stimulates the lymphatic system and releases the muscle tension. Also, because of the stimulation of lymphatic system, you experience less breakouts when you're using a gua sha tool. Now I'm going to do the same motion on the cheekbone of my face going towards the temple portion. Now using a gua sha also hydrates your skin very well, and you feel really calm after you use this tool because it releases the tension. The zygomatic muscles are responsible for smiling, and thus you feel very calm after you use this tool for scraping your face. I'm also going over my eyebrows using the V portion, and then with the flat portion I'm just going to take it over to my forehead. The results that you can expect are better hydration level, as well as you might face little less breakouts. But you also need to keep in mind that you have a solid skincare regime while you're using the gua sha tool. Make sure you're working with a serum that suits your skin very well. And also I'm going on the neck again. You can repeat each motion up to 10 times, but at least do it for 5 times when you do it. So yeah guys, this was it for the gua sha. If you also want me to make a separate video on the face rollers, I'll show you how a face roller looks like first of all. But almost all of you know about the face rollers, and that is the reason why I did not make a video on face rollers. But if you guys want me to make a video on this as well, let me know in the comment section below. And also if you want to shop the face roller and the gua sha, I have recently started a business where you can get all the face rollers and gua sha for 5% off if you use my code. So I'll list down the name of the store in the comment section below. Make sure you follow them and also like, because it's recently started by me and my sister. And yeah, if you want to know about the price of the gua sha, I'd like to tell you that the jade gua sha, which is this one, costs around 1,299, whereas the rose quartz gua sha is a bit on the less expensive side. The rose quartz gua sha retails for around 900 rupees. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope I have cleared all your doubts. If you have more queries or questions, to let me know, and have a great day ahead.